Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Nothing Ear 1 Bluetooth earbuds. If you are having any kind of issues where the earbuds are not connecting to the Bluetooth, or maybe you're getting sound out of one ear only out of the left ear, only out of the right ear, and issues like that, a lot of these can be fixed with a simple hard reset, which is quite easy to do on these earbuds. All we need to do is, first of all, make sure that our earbuds are in the case and the door is open, the top is open as shown here. And we're going to come over here, and right here you can see on the side right here there is this reset button. We're just going to press and hold this reset button, and it's going to take about 5 to 10 seconds. And after about 5 to 10 seconds, this indicator light will blink red. And once that indicator light blinks red, you can stop pressing the button, close the case for a couple seconds, open it back up, take the earbuds out, and they will be reset, so you will now be able to repair them with whatever device you want to use them with.